Hey there, ever wonder what Angular is all about? Stick around because in just 2 minutes you will have a crystal clear understanding of one of the most popular web development framework out there. Let's start simple. Angular is a TypeScript based framework maintained by Google. It's designed for building dynamic web applications. Things like online stores, dashboard, or even entire platform like Gmail. Angular is not just a library like jQuery or React. It's a full framework. That means it provides everything you need to build up a web applications, from templates and components to powerful tools for managing data and handling user interactions. Here are some key features that make Angular so special. Number 1, components. Components are reusable building blocks that control how your app looks and behaves. Two-way data binding. This feature that keeps your data in sync between the UI and the logic behind it. Number 3, dependency injection, a fancy way of managing and sharing service like APIs or business logic efficiently. And the last, modularity, organize your app into small, manageable and chunks called modules. And let's not forget Angular focus on performance. It uses a powerful compiler and optimization techniques to make your apps fast and responsive. Angular is a good choice for large-scale applications loved by teams because it's scalable, maintainable, and packed with tools to make development easier. To sum it up, Angular is the superhero of web development frameworks, great for creating modern feature-rich web apps ready to dive in. Start with their official documentation and happy coding.